What are the different vehicular homicide offenses in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm a criminal defense lawyer with the Dominy Law Firm, and this video is going to answer that question. Now, the term vehicular homicide is used loosely to refer to a crime in which operation of a vehicle leads to the death of another person. But in Ohio, there are actually three different vehicular homicide offenses. The first one is aggravated vehicular homicide, and that means you cause the death of another person by committing the offense of OVI, operating a vehicle under the influence, or operating the vehicle recklessly, or reckless operation in a construction zone. The second offense is vehicular homicide, and that means you cause the death of another person by operating the vehicle negligently or speeding in a construction zone. And the third offense is vehicular manslaughter, and that means you cause the death of another person by committing a minor misdemeanor traffic offense. Now, each of those different types of vehicular homicide has different penalties which are associated with it. So we encourage you to take a look at the rest of our website page that specifically talks about the vehicular homicide offenses and penalties. And as you're looking at that, if you're charged with one of those kinds of vehicular homicide in Ohio, we encourage you to do additional research to find out as much as you can about your situation. As you're doing your research, you may want to take a look at the book that we wrote called The Ohio Vehicular Homicide Guide. That book talks about many different aspects of vehicular homicide and things you should know before you go to court and before you hire a lawyer. If you finish your research and you feel like you may want to talk to our firm about representation, there are a couple ways you can reach us. You can call the number on the screen, or you can submit a contact form on our website. Either way, we'll schedule a free phone consultation to talk through your options and talk about representation. And if you feel we're a good fit at the end of that, we'll be available to represent you. But if not, and even if you aren't considering hiring us, we hope that you find the book and all of our resources are very helpful.